A young boy loved running more than anything else. Every morning, before the world was fully awake, he would lace up his worn-out shoes and race down the dusty path outside his village. Running wasn't just exercise for him. It was freedom. His dream was to one day represent his school in the biggest competition of the year. But life had its own plans. One rainy evening, while chasing a ball with his friends, he slipped on the mud. A sharp pain shot through his leg. It was broken. The doctors told him he wouldn't be able to run for months. Lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, he felt his dream collapse. Why me? Why now? All my hard work is wasted. At first, he was angry. Then came sadness. And then silence. The days crawled by. But slowly, something changed. Since he couldn't run, he started reading books his teacher had given him. He discovered stories of people who faced far greater hardships, yet came back stronger. He learned patience. He learned that sometimes life forces you to pause so you can grow in other ways. Months later, his cast was removed. His legs were weak, but his heart was stronger than ever. He trained slowly, painfully, step by step. Every run hurt, every breath burned. But he no longer hated the pain. He accepted it. Finally, the day of the school competition came. At the competition, he ran, not for medals, not for applause, but simply for himself. He gave everything. He crossed the finish line far behind the others. But for the first time, he wasn't comparing himself to anyone else. He looked at his bruised legs, his tired body, and then at the smiling faces of his mother and friends. And he realized he hadn't lost, because the boy who once cried over pain was now smiling through it.